Ready to embark on an epic Minecraft adventure without spending a dime? Join us as we unveil the ultimate guide on how to download Minecraft for free on PC. Get ready to unleash your creativity and dive into a world of limitless possibilities. With your Google open, type for Minecraft.net. With the site open, put your mouse over the Games section. Click on Minecraft. Now click on this green button saying Try for free. Click on the Windows icon. You will be redirected to this page. Click on Get. Now click on Get again. Now click on Close. Click on this green button called Install To. Now click on Open Xbox. With the Xbox application opened, type in the search bar for Minecraft Free Trial. Select the first option. Now click on the third button. Click on Enter to enter in your Xbox account. Once you successfully entered, click on Let's Play. Now wait. Click on the third button again. Click on this green button and now close. Now just click on Play and wait for the launcher. Wait for the Minecraft installing process. Once you open your Minecraft launcher, select if you want to enter with your Microsoft account or your Mojang account. I'll go with my Microsoft account. Click on Let's Go. Now, click on Play Demo. Wait for the installation. Once your installation is complete, click on Continue. Now click on Play Demo World. Your world will be created. Now click on Continue Playing and you have 2 hours to play Minecraft for free. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video. Leave a compliment, a suggestion, or a doubt if you have it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!